Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to append or add a signature in Gmail. This is very useful if you want to add your name, contact information, or even a business logo to every email you send. So whether it is for outgoing emails or replying messages, having a signature saves you a lot of times and also keep your email professional, right? So email signature is like a little block of text or image that gets automatically added to the bottom of every email you send. So you can include your name, job title, company details, phone number, website link, and even a logo. Of course you can. So to get started, we're heading straight over to our setting in our Gmail. Click on See All Setting. In the General tab, scroll down until you see the signature section. Here you will see an option to create new signature. So click on Create New Signature. Give your signature a name and then type out your details in the text box below. So you can also include your full name, your title, your company name, and any important contact information. So let's do that. Feel free to adjust to your satisfy, tweak it to your taste, check, test run, make sure that everything you're getting it to your taste the way you want it, and always choose a name that suits you. So I have for replying messages, sending messages, and then I just created a demo for applying for proposal, just in case you want to have something like that. So once you're done, you're satisfied with what we've done, scroll down to the save option and save changes. All right, so now he has saved. Go back to test run what you've done, click on the compose message to see if what you've created is showing the way it should.